How to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to subscribe to Amazon Prime, all you have to do is first of all simply open up your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to the website, if you don't have an Amazon account, you might want to sign in. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap the start your free trial option here. Once you tap on start your free trial, it allows you to log in or maybe create a new Amazon account if you don't have. Then over here, you'll be able to see all the Amazon Prime and Prime benefits. You can just select either of these options and just make sure to select your payment method, such as your credit or debit card, or maybe even your Venmo account, or you can also apply and use your gift card. In this case, if you have a credit or debit card, you can enter them, enter your card details. After you've done that, your Amazon Prime will be successfully activated. This way you can subscribe to Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.